What's the word, gang? It's your girl Wani with another episode of What's the Word with Wani. It's the 4th of July, but we don't celebrate Independence Day. This is Firework Day. Okay, when I grew up, it was all about barbecue and fireworks. So that's what it is today. We actually, when I grew up, OG Papa Don and give me a little outfit. They barbecue and all that can on, you know what I'm saying? They had fireworks. So, we gonna keep it traditional. So, we barbecued on Saturday. I done got, baby gang and a little son, son slight. And we gonna see some fireworks today. So, I don't know who gonna be with us or whatever, ain't no telling with me and baby gang. Ain't no telling who gonna be with us, you know what I'm saying? So y'all stay tuned, you hear me? Hey, how you doing, baby? Hey, you got something I can follow you on? What's your Instagram, your Facebook?
I don't know about how my Facebook is Cherie Gaston. I don't know my Instagram either, but I do got a TikTok.
Okay.
I think it's the thing Cherie or something like that, underscore. I don't quote me on it, but I do.
Okay, well y'all heard her. You looking good. Your baby looking good. Y'all have fun and be safe, okay? All right, no problem. Let's go. I'm sorry, y'all. Say hey to my vlog, my YouTube channel. Hey. You already know what's going on.
What's up, YouTube? What else you got going on? You ain't get no fuck.
Yeah, it's my YouTube. It's a vlog. Hey, you gotta follow every gram count. Can you remember that?
Yeah, follow G. Just remember me. Shit.
Say your shit. Hey, we ain't gonna say happy 4th. We gonna say happy Firework Day because this ain't no independence. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? It's lit up here, edges sweated out. I done drunk all my drink. I had to give me just in case, y'all. We up here. How you doing, sir? Can you say hey to my YouTube?
Hey, how you doing?
Hey. You got a Instagram or something they can follow?
No, not right now.
Alright, don't worry. He just fan and he ain't got nothing. Alright, y'all. See y'all. I done had fun. I don't know about y'all, but I got me a club still. That was a motherfucking boost. Okay?